Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's reading we will see what blessings are coming to you in the next 6 months. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate for all of you, but if you want to consult with a personal advisor which can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my new discovery, which is also the sponsor of this video, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance that is available and accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way, whether it's through a phone call, video chat, or text chat. What I like about them is they are committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And on top of that, they back their service with a no-risk guarantee and donate 1% of the purchases to charity at no extra cost. I recently had a reading with an advisor from Psychic Source. Her name is Venus, and I asked her a lot of questions about my career, my kids, and even my love life. And I'm so impressed with her accuracy that really helped me with a major decision that I had to make. And I also gained clarity with my future plans. Now here's the good news. I'm excited to share that Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. This can help you maximize your time and make the best connection. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen, or click the link on my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what are the blessings coming in sa inyo in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Okay, so let's see what are the blessings for Capricorn next 6 months. Peacock. Wow. So you will gain a lot of attention, Capricorn. Some of you will show off your talents, your skills. Kumbaga you will have this confidence sa sarili mo na, uy, kaya ko yung gawin. You're also free to express yourself, to be more authentic. You also have the moon. The moon is your instinct, your intuition, your emotions. I think in the next 6 months, you will be guided to your dreams. You will be guided to your goals. Kumbaga, ano man yung mga ipupurso mo, guided ka ng iyong instinct. You will know, kumbaga, mararamdaman mo if yun talaga yung purpose mo. Kasi kung hindi ka confident dun sa ginagawa mo, hindi ka fulfilled, hindi ka masaya, and like you are struggling, maaring ma-realize mo na, hindi to para sa akin. Na kahit na anong gawin mo, it's not really resonating with you. So doon ka ililid sa kung saan you are confident, kung saan marami kang alam, kung saan nandun yung expertise mo. The moon is also about your devotion. So I think you will be loyal to the things or people na alam mong may pagpapahalaga at appreciation sa mga ginagawa mo para sa kanila. You have breath. So itong breath is like a breath of fresh air. So maaring there's a new beginning. There can also be like an inspiration, a new inspiration sa'yo na maaring para siyang eureka moment rin na may bago kang ideas, fresh ideas for a new job, a new career path, or a new business. Na parang you will feel na parang may bumubulong sa'yo. May pagka creepy for some of you, but it's like it is your higher self that is talking to you. Na parang bumubulong sa'yo na, oy Capricorn, ito yung tahakin mo kasi dito ka mas magiging successful. Ito yung purpose mo. Dito ka mas matututo. Dito ka magkakaroon ng opportunities na you will know your potentials. Okay? So some of you will have this blessing of new ideas na marirealize mo na, ay, oo nga, maganda siya, subukan ko, ganon. Let's see what else. You have the King of Cups. This is about your instinct rin. Very intuitive ka rin. Empathic, very charismatic at the same time. So, whatever you're going to pursue in the next 6 months, na kung saan nandun yung puso mo, nandun yung pagmamahal mo, nandun yung commitment mo, you will receive the blessings na dine-deserve mo for that. And this is the blessing of happiness and fulfillment. You have the moon. 2 beses yung moon. Maaring in the next 6 months, Capricorn, every full moon or new moon, maaring merong mga pagbabago or like mga intuitive messages para sa inyo that will lead to your success. Let's say, sa full moon, usually pag full moon, it's about releasing the things that are no longer serving you. So maaring may mga endings that you need to let go, and then new moon naman yung mga bagay na kailangan mong i-welcome sa buhay mo or i-experience mo para sa sarili mo. So, this is about your dreams as well. Maaring sa dreams mo, makikita mo yung future mo. Maaring dyan ipapakita sa'yo yung signs na kailangan mong malaman para ma-realize mo that you are on the right path. You have the Six of Pentacles. This is a blessing of receiving what you deserve. So, whatever you are focusing on, working on, you will receive rewards. Hindi to yung tipong kahit anong pagod mo, hirap mo, wala kang nakikitang rewards. So, for you, Capricorn, in the next 6 months, as long as you're putting out the work, no? Putting in the work, ginagawa mo yung trabaho mo, ginagawa mo yung kailangan mong gawin for your goals and your dreams, then you will receive what you deserve. And some of you, meron kayong mga matatanggap rin na tulong, assistance sa iba in times of needs, and maari ring meron ka ring kakayanan na tumulong sa iba. You have the Five of Cups. So, meron ditong loss of something. So, hear me out. Kasi sabihin nyo, paano naging blessing yun? May mawawala. So, itong sinasabi natin kanina na release of anything that is no longer serving you, maaring meron kailangang mawala sa buhay mo para magkaroon ka ng bagong space for new experiences, new opportunities. Kasi sometimes we are holding on to something na hindi naman na talaga worth it. This can be a job, this can be a relationship, a situation. So, maari siyang blessing in disguise sa inyo. Kasi hindi nyo pa malalaman kung ano yung magiging resulta nito sa'yo kapag nawala na. But eventually, you will realize na, kaya pala nawalan ako ng trabaho kasi itong bagong trabaho na to na binigay sa akin ay mas magandang opportunity. Or kaya pala ako nawalan ng trabaho kasi maiisip ko na makapagnegosyo na babago sa buhay ko. Choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. So, isa rin sa blessing ninyo is the blessing of forgiveness. Maaring patatawarin mo yung sarili mo, patatawarin mo yung ibang tao sa mga bagay na nagawa sa'yo or nagawa mo. Kasi maaring yan yung mga blockages rin, kaya hindi ka makamove on or hindi ka makamove forward. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. So, you're going to access your abilities. Maaring in the next 6 months, ang blessing sa'yo is madidiscover mo yung mga abilities mo, kakayanan mo, yung skills mo. And ima-master mo yon, and that will lead you to success and recognition. The power of divine grace is within you. Yes, you are divinely guided, Capricorn. In the next 6 months, you will see na lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo ay may dahilan. And the reason is for you to grow and to become a better version of yourself. Oh, diba? Oh my God. Kasi sabi ko lang for you to grow, tas biglang may growth. Evolution starts when you leave your comfort zone, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Oh my God. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong losses. Yung release ng mga bagay na you're still holding on to. But the moment that you release that, nagbibigay ka ng space or opportunity sa mga bagong bagay na pwede mong ma-experience. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.